I need to check my channel. What is one vote? Okay, let's find who voted for that. Someone voted for robotics. Okay, hello guys, I'm Xinjir Regard and we start the video. What happens if I make cooler for phone with timer? You can use it as a fan, but you know it's cold now. Yes, I agree. This video is supposed to be released in summer. And now advertising. Hello Xinjir Regard, promote my channel please. I will also advertise you my channel XLR Mansur. New message. Okay. Anime, who loves anime, subscribe to XLR Mansur. Huge list of anime and more. Don't forget to subscribe. The link in description. And we continue. We will program not in a computer, but in phone. Because my laptop being repaired. I will teach at the same time how to program on the phone. Go to Google Play and search Arduino Droid. Unfortunately, this program not supported for iOS. Install and open. Errors are noticed and the code is understood. As you can see, there are 5 buttons here. These are not just buttons, but the most important buttons. This button for saving, this button for completion, this button for install, this button for monitor port, and this button for more. Who is interested? Everyone knows this. But not everyone knows this button. On the sketch, you can see saved files. Just click recently. On the settings, you can change the plate. Also, for programming, you need to buy AutoG cable. On the internet shops, you can see many types of this cable. Just connect the USB cable to backward AutoG cable. If you finish it or edited the code, just click the completion button and install. And let's check our project. Guys, all links in description. I'm Xinjir God. Goodbye.